Welcome back to Whelen Software Walkthroughs and How-Tos. Today we are talking about CenCom Carbide and the rear RTX inner edge. The rear RTX inner edge counts as one of the two accessories that you can have with Carbide. The light bar and the weekend external siren amplifier do not count towards these accessories. I have already selected Create a New Configuration, and I will now select the rear RTX inner edge from the accessories list. And because it is a rear RTX inner edge, we need to select the light count, the light type, and the mounting location. Depending on the light count and type, the color and size of the rear RTX inner edge will change. So let's go ahead and click Continue. And on the accessories page is where we'll make all our changes to the rear RTX inner edge. If we select any of the traffic advisor buttons, we can see the traffic advisor modules already have the proper traffic advisor pattern applied to them. Check out our video on the traffic advisor page to learn more about traffic advisor settings. Programming a flash pattern on the rear RTX inner edge is identical to programming a light bar flash pattern. We first want to select the button or input we want to program. We then want to select the modules we want to apply a flash pattern to. When selecting modules in the rear RTX inner edge, you'll notice that the warning red and blue modules are selected in pairs. This is because they share the same output. We then want to select a flash pattern from the flash pattern list. I will choose Action Flash. We can simulate the flash pattern by clicking on the Simulate button. The modules will flash simultaneous. If we want the modules to alternate, we can set the driver's side of the rear RTX inner edge to phase 1 and the passenger side to phase 2 by clicking on the Alternate button. Here we can see the modules alternate phase 1 and phase 2. For a more unique flash pattern, we can click the Unsync button to set a delay, starting with the end modules and working towards the center at 0 milliseconds to 30 milliseconds. This will give us our unique flash pattern. We can also set the custom phase and the custom delay of each module. If we wanted our flash pattern to be a pattern override flash pattern, we would check the Apply as Pattern Override checkbox. This would require our modules to be activated by another button or input for our selected pattern to override the active modules. On the Cruise View tab, if we were setting up Auxiliary 2 as our cruise light button, we want to select Auxiliary 2 and then select the modules that we want to cruise and click Cruise On. We can see the cruise symbol has been applied to the selected modules. Now whenever Auxiliary 2 is activated, the selected modules will turn on, displaying a cruise light intensity. On the Power View tab, if we were setting up a low power button, we'd want to click on the low power button, select the modules that we want to put into low power, and click low power. We can see the low power symbol has been applied to the selected modules. Now whenever we turn on the low power button, if the modules are flashing, they will flash at a reduced intensity. Please stay tuned for our next episode. Thanks for watching.